All right, this is Edpuzzle under my content, and I want to create a new video. So I'm going to go over to create and click new video. Okay, on the left-hand side, you see all these different sites that you can choose from to pick a video. I've already chosen YouTube. So, and I want to do a lesson on 10 frames. So I'm going to click this by clicking use it. Okay, so this first choice is the cropping choice. And I want to shorten the video. So I'm going to put it down to 1:20. And I'm looking over here, close enough. All right, now I also want to add my own intro, and I know that hers lasts for 8 seconds. So I'm going to go that far. Okay. And so I'm done cropping. You can't splice though. You can't cut out like little portions of it. That won't work. All right. So, oops, it's buffering. Let me click that. All right. Next choice, audio track. That's where you would do all the talking and she would still show what she's doing, but you're going to be talking the whole time. I don't want to do that, but I do want to add an audio note. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Okay, so a microphone shows up. I want it at the beginning, so I'm with the microphone down. Click on the microphone, and let's say I don't like how I sound, so I click stop, and I can remove this last note. You can also remove all the notes. Right, so I'm going to try it again. Okay, today class, we're going to watch a video about how to use our 10 frames. Play. See, and I don't like that. Okay, all right, try it again. Okay, class, today we're going to watch a video on using our 10 frames. Good enough. All right, now I want to ask a question or some questions, so I'll go ahead and click on the question mark, and that's the last choice. So it's uploading the voice part. All right, so now you see that a question mark has appeared. And you can ask questions throughout the entire video, but I just want to do an assessment at the end, real quick one. And if you don't know, if you forget anything, this will show you each step. Okay, click on the question mark, and immediately the first box is an open-ended question. This is multiple choice, and this is a comment that you might want to have show up in the video. All right, I'm going to do multiple choice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do 8 plus 9. All right, and then I'm going to put 18 here and mark it wrong. And then I'm going to put 17 here and mark it right. And then I'm going to add another choice, and I'll just put 16 there. Okay, so that's here. Okay. Continue and continue. All right, and again, I can add more questions to that same test if I want to. All right, so I'm done. Okay, so this will pop up. I don't want to assign it to my class. This is automatically checked, and it's for a good reason. This prevents the students from skipping the video to the end. It forces them to watch the whole video. I know, it's rough. All right, so I'll click later. And here it is. I'll show it to you really fast. Okay, I can't share the audio note with the screencast, but I can take it to the questions. And the questions should show up eventually. Okay, there it is. All right, so here you have the question. Like I said, you can have more than just one. And I'll go ahead and click here and submit. And it'll show the green arrow, which will let the student know that they got it right. And then you just continue. And that is Edpuzzle.